Welcome to online lecture series of Turbo Machines. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is lecture on impact of jet part 6, that is inclined moving plate. I acknowledge my sincere thanks to the following authors and internet resource for being used these concepts to make this video session. In this session, you will be able to explain an expression for force exerted on inclined moving plate, work done per second, that is power, and efficiency of plate. You will also be able to solve numerical on inclined moving plate. Let us see impact of jet on inclined moving plate. So here is a diagram in which you can see a jet of water striking to the plate at a velocity v at an angle theta. So let the parameter theta, that is angle between jet and plate, v, that is velocity of jet, u, that is velocity of plate in the direction of jet, and v minus u is effective velocity. So in this case, mass flow rate of jet striking to the inclined moving plate is m dot is equal to rho a into effective velocity, that is rho a v minus u, where rho density of water, a area of jet, that is pi by 4 into d square, and d is diameter of jet. Now to calculate the force exerted by jet on inclined moving plate, impulse momentum principle is used, which is what? F is equal to mass flow rate into velocity difference. Now in this case, velocity component which is normal to the plate, that is v minus u sin theta, that is taken into consideration. So force normal to the plate, that is Fn, becomes mass flow rate, that is rho a v minus u, inside the bracket velocity component normal to the plate, that is v minus u sin theta, minus velocity after striking, that is 0. So Fn is equal to rho a v minus u square sin theta in Newton. Now this Fn component can be resolved into two components. One is horizontal, that is Fx, and vertical component, that is Fy. Fx component can be written as Fn sin theta. So Fn is known. So Fx is equal to rho a v minus u bracket square sin square theta. And Fy can be written as Fn cos theta by substituting Fx Fn. Here we get Fy is equal to rho a v minus u bracket square sin theta cos theta. These two forces are in Newton. Now work done per second, that is what? Force into plate velocity. So force is rho a v minus u bracket square sin square theta into plate velocity u, power in watt. Efficiency of plate is what? Ratio of work done per second to kinetic energy per second. So let us write first of all kinetic energy of jet per second, that is half mass flow rate v square. So half mass flow rate we take here rho a v. So finally half rho a v cube. So putting ke and work done per second in the efficiency equation, we get finally eta is equal to 2 into v minus u bracket square sin square theta into u by v cube. Let us study one numerical on inclined moving plate. So here in the numerical we are given a jet of 75 mm diameter, that is 7.5 centimeter, striking to the plate at 12 meter per second. Plate velocity is 6 meter per second, and angle between jet and normal is given 60 degree. So we are asked to calculate force and work done per second when the plate is stationary and when the plate is moving. So let us first of all take formula Fx, that is in the direction of jet, rho a v square sin square theta formula, where rho density of water 1000 kg per meter cube, diameter is given, take in meter, area calculate in meter square, velocity 12 meter per second. Now angle theta is not known, that we have to calculate, because 60 is angle made by normal to the jet direction. So theta will be what? 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. So case 1, that is when the plate is stationary, force will be what? Rho a v square sin square theta, putting the values of rho, area, velocity and theta. We can get here after calculation Fx is equal to 159.012 Newton. Now work done per second, that is power, that is equal to force into velocity of plate. So as the plate is stationary, velocity of plate is 0, that's why work done per second, that is power for the stationary plate, is 0 watt. Case second, that is when the plate is moving. So plate velocity is given 6 meter per second. So using the formula for moving plate in the direction of jet, Fx, that is rho a v minus u bracket square sin square theta, putting the value of rho, area, jet velocity, plate velocity and angle. Over here we get Fx is equal to 39.753 Newton. Work done per second, that is power, equal to Fx into plate velocity. So calculated value of Fx and plate velocity given, we get work done per second, that is power, to 38.518 in watt. Now to calculate the efficiency, let us first calculate kinetic energy per second. The formula is half rho a v cube. So putting the value of rho a and v, we get kinetic energy per second. So putting the value of work done per second and kinetic energy per second in the efficiency formula, we get efficiency in percentage, that is 6.25. So in this session, now you can illustrate an expression for the force exerted by jet on inclined moving plate. Also you can solve numerical on inclined moving plate. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.